Good morning. So it's the morning of 5th of March 2022, Saturday, and we are on Grassy Knob Trail in Canmore. I've done it last year, but that was entirely different route. Now this time we tried to do it in a different way. So I have my friends Keiko and Jonathan and Ruby and Diane coming behind me. The trail conditions so far look good, but we really doubt that it is going to stay the same because it's not a very popular trail and not well traveled. So maybe when we go up a bit we need to break the trail. We're not ready for that yet, but let's see if we have to do it and what's the next plan then. But it's the weather has been good this morning. We have sunshine, but because most of the time we'll be in the trees, so I really doubt we'll see a sunshine. But the good thing is that it's not windy either, and the temperature is somewhere around, I think, -6, -7. So let's see how it goes. It's gonna be another day, another hike. So after about 2.5 kilometers into the trail, and I would say less than an hour, about 55 minutes, and gaining about 200 or 220 meters of elevation, we came across a junction where the loop starts. We are not doing the loop today, so we took a left turn and we are doing in and out. And the trail, which was quite well traveled earlier, now it has changed into less traveled, and now the elevation is also going to start pretty soon. So far it has been smooth incline, but you never know. I think that we'd be seeing more steep elevation gain now. So, but let's see. So far the weather had been quite good, and the only concern is that what if the snow gets deeper and we have to break the trail. So we'll see how we're gonna handle that part when it comes, but so far so good. So after about almost 2 hours into the trail, we are almost 3.8 kilometers into the trail, and about 490 meters of elevation gain. And thanks to Diane in our group who's breaking the trail. Snows were not very deep so far. It's still manageable without the snowshoe, and that's why we are still moving ahead. The trail has turned into a narrow one-person trail. Even walking with the sticks is a bit hassle because on both sides the snow is pretty deep. So if you take one step off the trail, you can sink into knee-deep snow. But overall it's good so far. The weather is still very good. Bright sunshine and clear blue sky, no wind, and we hope that stays the same at the summit as well. So my guess is that another hour or so, and hopefully we'll reach the summit then. But let's see. So almost 3 hours into the trail. We are about a little bit over 600 meters of elevation, and you can see the gorgeous view of Three Sisters behind us. And we're still going ahead. Our friend Diane is helping us out in breaking the trail. Looks like this trail was not traveled on in the last few days, so there's lots of snow, but it's deep if you go off trail, but as long as you stay on the trail, it's not more than I would say ankle deep. But the problem is that you don't know where the trail is, so that's where our friend Diane is helping us out. But definitely there are gorgeous views. We had some snow showers behind, and it's really coming out to be a wonderful day and a wonderful hike. Look how deep the snow is off trail. Oh, great job, Diane. Great job.
Go.
So the final stretch of this grassy knob, Diane is still leading, and the views are opening up on our right side as well.
Heaven, you guys.
And she seems pretty excited. Looks like she found a viewpoint. Right in front you can see the huge Shipsboro Mountain, and then, oh my god, those big Three Sisters as well, and the views behind us. She was not wrong. The views are wonderful, and oh my god, yeah, look over here. on the other side of highway. They've got that big Grotto Canyon and Grotto Mountain, and a little bit away from our final summit. Another 10 minutes.
No, we're here.
Already? Okay, she says we are already here. So.
You look cute with your glasses, Diane. We all do. The flowers, love that. We all do.
It's starting to get cold.
Yeah, because we're not moving.
Yeah.
Oh, can you take a picture of me? Dad solo, please. I'll ask you about it. Before we go.
Randy, good. You got the, this is